Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Today I thought we'll talk about an interesting news article which has come out. It's called The Funding Winter. PE and VC investment in Indian startups year on year have declined by 28%. What do you think about that, Anand?
Worse is to come. Many companies need funding, they don't have funding because till this America started to raise the interest rates. These guys were not even thinking of revenue, let alone profitability.
Correct.
So, for the first time, the VCs and partners are asking for what is your revenue, what is your path to profitability, when will you become profitable. Most of these guys have no idea.
Hmm.
So, funding has dried up because the route to VC funding was like exactly what Elon Musk did. You have sky high
Valuation.
valuation. You take that valuation and pledge it with banks for less than 1% interest per annum
Correct.
and give it to the VC. The
Correct.
VC will play rolling the dice with it, and there will be 6 or 7 VCs who will keep on passing the parcel between them, and the private company valuations will be extremely high.
Correct.
When the music is about to stop, they will announce an IPO and dump it on the unsuspecting retail investor either directly
Hmm.
or through a mutual fund.
Hmm.
When this happens, the value will drop.
The true value will
The
emerge.
true value will emerge. That has happened for the Indian investor to understand. It has happened in Zomato. It has happened even in Nykaa, which listed Zomato and Nykaa listed at 100% profits to IPO. Paytm, which never showed even one day of profit. Policy Bazaar, Car Trade, all these companies, the VC said enough is enough. Please go do an IPO. Still, none of these companies have a path to sustained profitability. In case of Nykaa, which is making profits, the entire year profits of Nykaa is 2 days profits of ITC. And at one stage, it was commanding 3-4 times ITC's
Yes, price.
price. All this is people playing, gambling with money being printed by the Federal Reserve and others.
Well, retail investors are getting carried away with.
Yeah, but nobody understands it and nobody wants to believe it's neighbors envy, owners pride.
Correct.
And when America started to tighten, two things happened. One, the amount of loan they gave,
Hmm.
the interest rate started to move.
Hmm.
From zero, it has moved to 4.5%.
Hmm.
It doesn't look much,
Hmm.
but 0 to 1 is 100%.
Hmm.
1 to 2 is 200%.
Correct.
2 to 4 is another
People don't realize
100%.
that's
So it's
absolutely true.
300% increase in interest rates.
Correct.
So you need cash flow to pay that,
Yeah.
right? Second, like Tesla has cracked, most of the sky high valuations of the underlying security also has cracked.
Correct.
So you cannot raise money.
Correct.
And if you raise money and it cracks further,
Correct.
then you have to repay.
Correct.
Margin calls will come. So the ability to pledge has come down. The cost of money has come down.
Correct.
So money to VC has come down. And VC in turn now is not able to support Indian businesses or businesses across the globe.
Correct.
This is one strand. The other strand is this Oshi San or whatever his name is, SoftBank.
Correct.
He has been running out of cash.
Correct.
The only major security he has is two. One is Alibaba's stock, which is down in the dumps thanks to Xi Jinping,
Yes, we've been hammered.
hammered, and which he has borrowed against, which is his one big bet,
Yes.
which went successful. And the other thing is ARM Holdings, which has got the microprocessor technology license for all the microprocessors for mobile apps.
Correct.
Now ARM Holding, he's bought it sky high
Valuation. Yes.
valuation. He is not able to list it anywhere
Correct.
to do the value unlock. At the same time, he has to do mark to market for all these fancy valuation he has done.
Correct.
Like one fancy valuation he has done is Oyo.
Correct.
Now, what is the business model in Oyo? Till now, I have not
Yes.
understood.
When you're talking about Oyo, he also is in the news. Agrawal.
Ratish Agarwal.
Yes, he says he's worried about the well-being of the employees who've been laid off. Top priority for him right now is he's laid people off.
So Ratish Agarwal, I have once or twice booked for my drive. Once I booked for my driver through Oyo. Oyo swallowed the money. The lodge owner said he didn't receive the money. So if I want the lodge, I have to pay once more. So this is the kind of customer support they have.
So basically now Yoyo is being used by customers as a directory. They'll go directly to the lodge or whatever and say, I saw you're available on Oyo. Do you have rooms?
Then there is another problem. Oyo has promised minimum guarantee to all these small hotel owners and has not paid up. And now in this winter has cancelled that. So all these guys have filed a case. One guy filed a case and filed a winding up petition.
So SoftBank has been championing this.
Yeah, so winding up petition and he got his blood money and then he withdrew. Now everybody is going to file winding up petitions on him. This is a company which is getting ready for IPO.
Correct.
Let's not talk revenues, let's not talk profits.
Correct.
This started with WeWork.
We all know what happened with that.
Then you have another company which has borrowed several thousand crores. It's called Ola. He started by making a hailing app.
Correct.
It never made money.
App, yes, never made money.
It didn't make money here, it didn't make money in Australia. With great funfair, they launched in Australia. Recently, I was in Australia, I didn't see Ola
anywhere.
I saw only Uber.
Yes.
I was in Melbourne and Sydney, two of the biggest cities. Then Ola suddenly lost interest in
ride sharing,
and he went to scooter manufacturing,
which has turned into
10,000 crores.
Correct.
He claims, I'll produce this, I'll produce that. Initially, his bikes were very crap. They had a lot of accidents. People claimed everything.
Yeah.
Then he says he has fixed everything. He said, I will have to produce million scooters a year. Right now, his volume is 10 to 12,000 scooters a month. Okay. Rajiv Bajaj warned us about it.
Correct.
Okay. The grandiose schemes are not ending. He is saying Tatas have now produced a car at around 10 lakhs. He is now promising in 2024 an electric car for 5 lakhs. Everybody can make fanciful promises.
Correct.
Where is the capital going to come? When is it going to be profitable? There are companies which have made cars for years, decades. Like Toyota doesn't have an electric car yet.
Yes.
And by extension, Suzuki, India does not have an extension car, electric car.
Maximum they were hybrids.
Hybrids. And these have been in car business for 7-8 decades.
Yes. With now, all the kind of knowledge and R&D technology.
Yeah. They have not been able to produce a viable sedan. Here is a guy, he is saying, I'll produce 1, 2, 3, 4. So he keeps on jumping from one to another and does not even think profits. If interest rates keep climbing like where they are climbing, another 2%, that's what Jerome Powell has indicated, there will be further pressure on
all
these funding elements, and you may have another 30% fall over this year. That is, if you measure it from top, it will be 60 to 70% fall.
My God.
This is what is going on in the startup space. And there is no hope in heaven of money coming.
In short to medium term, there is no hope. In short to medium term, there is no hope.
No hope.
Even if you have a viable business model.
No. Where is the Una Academy?
Agreed.
Tell me one guy who has a viable business model.
Agreed.
If you are cash flow positive, why do you need money?
True.
Forget profits. If you are cash flow positive, why do you need money? You don't need money at all.
True.
So it is first time in 15, 20 years, it's forcing people to think about profits.
Which is interesting.
But the idea of running any business
is to make
profits.
As an investor, you want to see returns.
Yeah.
Finally, some kind of sense is coming to the market?
No, I don't know whether it's coming or whether it will take some more time. This kid SBF could fool people and take his valuation
Yes.
to $32 billion.
Correct.
So people are waiting to be fooled. They want to suspend their skepticism. You have to be a skeptic whether this is possible.
True.
But you want to suspend the system which tells you to filter this.
Correct.
Like we believe Ola will become the largest
And
car.
everybody feels everyone else is the fool and they can never
Yes.
be the fool.
Yes. So this is going to take some time. Anyway, thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support to Be Rich. Welcome back to Be Rich. In the first week of December, between 8th and 12th of December, I plan to be in Muscat in the Sultanate of Oman. Those who would like to see me in Oman can get in touch with my team. There's a WhatsApp number given below and there's an email ID also given below. So those desirous of getting in touch with me at the Sultanate of Oman, especially in the city of Muscat from 8th to 12th of December, can definitely contact me there. I hope to see you all in Oman soon. Thank you for watching Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.